Mic check. Okay, we're gonna just right here. Okay, take a deep breath, let out. Wow, solid stone. And then we're just gonna try to open up your whole spine, okay? Deep breath right here, let out. There you go. My goodness. This will start getting looser. And we're gonna do the Y strap for this, okay? You ever heard of that?
Ooh. That one, are you talking about when you pull the neck one?
Yeah, that's
oh my god. Alright. That one makes me nervous.
Perfect. The patient is scared as possible. Okay. And I'm just gonna loosen up your pelvis with this. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So I'm just putting pressure on your pelvis joints that are out of place and just pushing it down with it. It's actually moving better just doing that. And I'm gonna have you scoot down a tiny bit. Right here. Let me know if it's too much. Is that painful?
No.
Okay, that's good. And then we're gonna have you facing on this side. I'm just gonna put more pressure on your pelvis. There you go.
Nice.
And let's have you lay on your back. And you can lay your legs on top of this. Deep breath. Let out. There you go. Wow.
That was nice. Real nice.
That was deep.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna just right here.
Okay.
This is your upper neck and your skull, so it's really tight.
Right.
So we're gonna just right here. Let's see. Actually, let's do this one sitting down. Okay, take a picture. I'm just kidding. Okay, we're gonna just right there. Take a deep breath. Out. There you go. Wow, that was deep.
That was.
She needed that. Was that okay?
That was okay. That was okay.
And
Yeah.
was that okay?
Yeah.
Let me know if I'm torturing you. Might actually go great for you. It's really tight.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have you tilt your head over here. See my apple cut.
It's really intense in there.
Yeah, it is painful.
No.
Oh yeah? Okay, that's good. Alright, well, this is my band.
Is it turning colors?
It's just gonna be a surprise. Your hair is gonna reveal it.
Oh.
Let's do it through hair. What is that? And this could be super sore, so don't be surprised. It's just because it's like working out with weights. When you break up the muscle, it's sore. Yeah, it's like really red right here.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna do this. Let me know if that's too much. Okay, now we do the other side. Ready? It's gonna help increase the muscle tension and promote more blood, but if we correct your posture, it'll go way faster actually.
Nice.
It's just because it's tensing up, holding your 51-pound head.
Right.
This is bumpier than the other side.
Yeah, this side I can go more, but I think it needs it.
Yeah. And then you're gonna tilt your head away. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 hard ones. Okay. And then like this. These are a little bit actually more tenderized. Okay, now let's do the Y strap. You ready?
Alright.
Go. Body needs this. You might actually get taller.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so lift your head up. Okay. And you put your hair out. Perfect. All right, here we go. She's in for a surprise. Feels okay?
Yeah.
All right. Kind of feel like your mid back's kind of opening up.
Kind of, yeah.
Okay. All right, take a deep breath. One more time, deep breath. Let it out.
Ooh. Wow. Wow. That was a good one.
How'd it feel?
That was good. That was really good. Yeah, I like that one a lot, actually. I was nervous about that one.
Yeah.
But that was good. That was really good.
I'm glad.
Yeah.
Okay, just relax.